Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chesh and Yakshimash, welcome y'all, good day y'all, shalom. So today we are going to be doing a video on this. This is a retro desk fan that I picked up in Aldi for £20 this week. It is made by Kirkton House, and it says this beautiful desk fan features a modern reflective chrome effect. So with the weather being so hot as it has been for the past couple of days, it was time to get another fan, one for the kitchen this time. So we were walking, not driving around Aldi, walking around Aldi, and I saw this for 20 quid, and I was like, very good, very similar to the one that I already have, that I bought on eBay. I think I paid around £25 for that one. But I really like it because of the chrome effect. It looks really smart when you got it set up rather than just an ordinary fan. It does look smart. So the reason why I'm doing this video today is because I know that a lot of you out there do like fans and collect them and restore them and other things. So I thought I would make a little video for you for this one. It also goes out to my friend William. Hello William. He's also a big fan of vans. So this video is dedicated for him. Anyway, let's get you a bit closer. Let's get the box open and have a look. Okay, so what can we tell from the box? Not much. It is a 12-inch fan blade, 3 speed settings, oscillation function, vertical tilt, and it's 43, 34, 26 centimeters. Oh, there we go. It was £20.99. There's the price on it. Didn't see that. Made by Kirkton House. So let's open the box. And let's have a look and see what we got. Okay, so everything's come out in one go. Right, let's start with this. So we have tied down. I always save these ties because they're really handy. Here we have the fan blade itself. Quite a bit of weight to it, to be honest. All metal. It's quite smart. There we go. Grr. So there we have the back of the fan with the handle. Again, nice weight to it. This is the warranty card and the user manual. So Kirkton House must make on behalf of Aldi. This is a user manual. Oh yeah, they do two. There's a chrome one and like a bronze one. Introduction, safety information, parts description, operation, maintenance, storage, troubleshooting, technical specification, wiring, disposal, and technical data. So part description, safety, operation, maintenance. These things are pretty much easy to put together. It's got everything in the instructions. It's pretty good. Okay, let's put that to one side. This is the front of the fan. It doesn't have anything on there, so I might just put a... I wonder if it's got... Yeah, it looks like it's got a little protective coating on it. Let's see if I can peel that off. I think I went a bit gung-ho there. Okay, there we go. So that's the off, so that's nice and shiny. This is where we have the rest of the gubbins. Undo the bag, if we can. Oh, it's got quite a weight to it. Oh wow, that is lovely and shiny. Nice. Okay, let's take the cable tie off there. And then on the plug, you've got the plug prong protector. And here we are with oops. Ah! Was that it? I thought it moved more. Okay, it doesn't have a very big movement on it. Those are fixed in there, so... Okay. Let's pop that back in there. It really doesn't have much movement on it. Ow! Right, so this is really hard to work out because if you take the screws out, the big bolt through the middle, you can't make it stay. It's either going to go up or flop back. I guess once the weight of the fan and everything is on the front of it, I don't know. I'm going to leave this out for a second anyway. So, we've got a protective cover here, which is greased. First thing you have to put on is the back. You have to remove these 4 screws. Make sure that you put the back on with the handle at the top. I wouldn't tighten them up individually. I would just sort of like make sure that they connected first before you tighten them up completely, so you have a little bit of movement in it for tightening them up. Okay, now I can tighten it up completely. Okay, so that's nice and tight, so they're not going to rattle. Next, you have to put the fan on. There is a divot on the side of this spindle to put the fan through, which catches onto the screw, because there's a screw to tighten it up. So I'm going to release it. Just undo the screw so it's clear through there. And then make sure that the side of the fan bar with a little square out of it is where you put this on so you can screw it into place. Oh, that's not easy to put on. we go. Now this is a bit more technical than normal fans. I know it sounds a bit silly, but it is. Right, so I've got to make sure that that is lined up there. And I screw it on so it catches. Okay, so that is on properly. And then you got the front, so you undo the clips around the outside of the fan. And there's a tiny little nut and bolt to hold it into place, so you just take that off. There. There's a clip there at the top. Make sure that that goes onto the top hook, top part of the rack. That fits on. Now I'm going to tighten and put through this tiny little bolt. There we go. And then tighten up the 4 clips around the outside of the fan cages to make sure they clip together. Right, okay, so there we go. We got the fan up and together. I'm still a bit confused about this, because there's up, there's down. But as soon as I put that bolt through, then it's going to be fixed. I'm not going to be able to move it down or up. And there's nothing in the instructions about that. Okay, so we got the thing bolted together. We've got information on the side here. It is the FT30MC 12-inch retro desk fan, 35 watts, 3-year warranty by Kirkton House, with all the information on it, made in China. It's a nice weighty fan. Controls then are on the back, 0, 1, 2, 3. And then that's the button then to pull up to make it oscillate. So let's plug it in. So it's on oscillation. Turning up to full speed. That is really nice. It's got a good... It's got a nice blast to it, nice airflow. And it looks really retro as well. It's just I wish I could just push this up. I just wish I could tip it forward. It's a bit of a pain. But it's really nice, it's really smart. It'll do for the kitchen. It's not going to stay like this for long being in the kitchen. It's going to get dusty, so you're going to have to clean it every now and then. But it's nicer than the sort of like the plasticky ones, like this one, for example. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is good. Let me unplug it. I haven't got the blades on it, but you know, that does look so much nicer than this, even though this has served me very well. Right, let's feel the blast. See, I want to be able to tip it up. yeah, that's nice. Like I said, I have one very similar that I bought online, so this isn't something new, but it just looks really smart. It's got a nice weight to it. It looks really retro. I just can't work out how to make it tip back and forth, up and down, without... It just doesn't do it. It just does not do it. I can't see what I'm doing wrong. Maybe you will, and let me know. But anyway, there we go. That is it. That's going to go into the kitchen now because I'm already hot. I hope you've enjoyed. Just a very quick video for you guys. I know that, like I said, I know a lot of you do like fans. So this is the retro desk fan that I got from Aldi, and it was £20.99. So stay safe, stay cool, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye, y'all.